Everyone on YouTube is telling you how AI is going to make you rich in 2026, but most of them are wrong. Not about the fact, because AI can actually make you money. But where everyone get it wrong is in the easy part. This is not easy. There is no button, there is no course that does it all for you, and there is no an agent that you install and start giving you money into your bank account. So in this video, what I want to give you is the honest version. Who is actually making money with AI right now, and what's the path if you were starting from zero? And also the 4 principles I will follow if I have to start all over again. So if you're 18 to 22 and you're broke and you keep listening that AI is the opportunity of a generation, this is for you. Because it is, but it's the honest version. Let me start with the question everyone's really asking. Can you actually get rich with AI? My answer is yes. Realistically, for most people who have stayed in the game long enough. I'm not saying that to sell you anything. I'm saying it because it's my actual experience. I run a software company called Arena CRM. It's done 6 figures this year so far. I'm in my 20s and I didn't get a or have a rich uncle that wrote me a check. I start from zero. So when I say it's possible, it's because I actually mean it. But here's what I also mean. It was not easy. It was not overnight. It was not a weekend sprint. It was month of not knowing if it will work. Month of learning things that I didn't know they exist. Nights where nothing was working. I was not sure if I was doing the right thing. And the thing that frustrates me the most about all this AI content on YouTube right now is that nobody's telling you that part. They show you the outcome and they skip the 6 to 12 months of confusion before that. So realistically, yes, it is a fact you can make a lot of money from AI, but no, it's not easy. So those two things can be true at the same time. So who is actually making money from AI right now? Let me name you some people. Nate Herc, Nick Seref. Two guys in the automation space. Both of them do their job extremely well. Now, here's one thing most people miss when they watch these guys. They think the money is coming from the automations. It's not. Not the majority of the money. The money is coming from the content. Nate and Nick built audiences first, big audiences. They documented their journey. They taught what they were learning, and they became the face for a specific kind of AI work. And once they had the attention, the money followed through courses, communities, services, sponsorships, and products. That's the real lesson. The people making money with AI in 2026 are the people with attention, not the people with the best prompts, not the people with the fanciest internet workflow, not the people with a cool AI agent, not the people with the best stack. It's the people that gets attention. Because attention is the modern currency. If you have eyeballs on you, everything becomes easier. Selling a product, launching a service, getting a job, raising money, finding partners, all it starts with attention. And here's what's wild about 2026. It has never been this easy to get attention. You have all the AI tools that can help you to write, edit, research, design, and produce. You can ship content 10 times faster than someone could do it 3 years ago. The bottleneck is not capability anymore. The bottleneck is consistency and taste. The bottleneck stopped being tools. So now is what really matters is who is showing up, who has the point of view, who doesn't quit when the first 15 to 20 videos get only 3 views each. If you're 18 to 23 and you're asking yourself, what should I do with AI to make money? The answer that nobody's giving to you is this. Start a YouTube channel, start a TikTok, start a Twitter account. Document what you're learning about AI and teach people how to do it. Create constant create content consistently. And that's the play. That's what you should be doing. Let me tell you what I will personally avoid. I'm not going to call out anyone because I'm not here to start drama. But I will tell you what I see happening a lot and what I don't think is the move. Number one, an AI agency. Everyone on YouTube right now is telling you to start an AI agency. Build automations for local businesses. Sell end-to-end workflows to dentists. Charge 3 grand a month. I get why people teach it because it's a real model. Some people make it work, but it's not something I will do personally, and I tell you why. The agency game is client work. Client work means you're trading hours for money. even if you automate half of it, you're still dealing with humans. Humans who want changes, humans who don't pay on time, humans who disappear after you build something, humans who don't understand what they want. And the other problem, the agency model is getting oversaturated really fast. Everyone who watches the same videos you watch is also selling automations to dentists. So prices are going down and getting clients is getting harder. And the bigger issue, even if you do run a great agency, you're building a job, not a business that can scale without you. If you're going to put the hours, might as well, I would rather see you build something that can be scaled and can compound. So you can build a product, you can build an audience, you can build a piece of software, something that keeps working when you sleep. Second thing I will avoid, being the guy with 20 different softwares, 20 different tools. I see this pattern all the time. I see someone getting into AI and they sign up for ChatGPT, Claude, then Perplexity, Cursor, NAN, Make.com, Lovable, and then 10 more. And 6 months later, they try everything, but they create nothing. Tools are leverage, but leverage only matters if you apply it to something. The people making money with AI are not the ones with the most tools, they are the ones who pick the right 2 or 3 ones and they went deep on them. Number three, and this may be the biggest one, don't buy the curse. You know the one, the $1,000 AI side hustle blueprint, the how I made $100,000 with AI in 30 days webinar, or the Telegram group chat where some guy promised to teach you all the secrets about AI. If someone was making $10 million a month with AI, they will not be selling you a course. They will be building. The people who sell you the dream are selling the dream because the dream is the product. So if you're 18 to 23 and you actually want to do this, here are the 4 principles I will give you. These are the ones I actually live by. Most of the things that you need to do have been done already. Someone has written about it, someone built it already, and someone created a video. You don't need to come up with a brand new business model. You don't need to invent a new product. You don't need to recreate the wheel. Most wealth is built by finding something that works at doing it slightly better or for a different type of people. So don't be stupid, be effective. I already said this is number 2, but I will say it again because it's the biggest unlock. Money follows attention. So go deep on content creation. If you're building anything, a product, a service, a brand, content is your distribution. It's the only free distribution that exists. If you get good at creating content, you have leverage that almost no one else has. And here's the thing about being 18 to 23. You have time, you have energy, and you probably don't have a family to feed. You don't have to pay a mortgage. So this is the time. Most people don't start creating content until they're in their 30s. And they realize they should have started this when they were 20. So don't be that person. Don't be the 20-something tool guy. Pick a stack and go deep. Become the person who actually knows about something in specific, not the person that is trying 20 different tools. If you're going to go deep into content, pick one platform, and if you're building products, pick one framework and one tool or one model and specialize on that every single time. And principle number 4, decide and take action. This one sounds basic, but I think it's the one that people get wrong the most of the time. Most people never decide. They watch videos like this one. They get excited. They tell themselves, okay, I'm going to do this. And then they do a research for 3 months before they even build anything. 6 months go by and they learn a lot, but they build nothing. Deciding is a verb. It means you stop considering things and you start building it. You start working on it. You take action. So pick one and commit to it. And then you take action on that one thing every single day, even when it's boring, even when it's not working yet. The people who make it are not the smartest people. They are the ones who decide to do something and they didn't stop until they got it done. Here's the reality check before I close this out. Most people watching this will not make it. And I'm not saying this to be harsh. It's just the truth. The stats of the people that actually build something that generates money are really low. It's brutal. But here's why I still think it's worth for you in specific. If you're young and you have one thing that compounds better than any other person in the world, it's time. The people making real money in AI in 2026 start in 2023 and 2024. And the people who will be making money in 2028 start this year. So if you're patient, if you show up every day, and if you apply the 4 principles I just gave you, your odds are better than you think. Just don't expect it to be in 6 months. Think in 3 to 5 year chunks. That's how real wealth gets built. Not with an agent that prints money. With discipline that compounds. Okay? That's what you need, discipline. If this was useful, I want you to subscribe because I'm documenting what I'm learning as I build things. New video every week. And if you guys have a question about anything that you want me to cover, drop it in the comments. I read them, and the good ones will become a video. This is for you. See you next.